Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Steamtools. Right into your library, you are getting a cloud status as unable to sync. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, click on the Steam option and click on the option settings. From the left pane, choose cloud, and if you have turned on enable Steam cloud, you need to turn it off. After doing so, click on the download tab and you will find the option of clear download cache. Click on it. Hit the confirm button. This will clear the cache, restart your Steam, and once your system restarted, the issue will be fixed. Although, if this failed to work out, in second step, you need to open up your Windows security. Click on virus and threat protection, then click on manage settings. Turn off real-time protection. After doing so, close it. Now open up your web browser and download a tool with the name 1.1.1. From here, click on the link Mac, Windows or Linux, whichever operating system you have. Click it and save the installer onto your system. Once the installer is downloaded, install it in your PC. I have already installed the Cloudflare, so I'll go ahead and launch it. Now click on the option connect. Once Cloudflare is connected, in next step, click on start menu, type PowerShell and choose the option run as administrator. Now in this method, we are going to update the Lua tools. And to update, here I have a script. Get this script from the pin comment of this video. Right click, copy it and then paste right in the PowerShell and then hit the enter key. This will update your Lua tools in few seconds. And once your Lua tool is updated, it will automatically restart the Steam and in turns, your issue will be completely fixed. Although, if this also failed to work out, lastly, I have this third command. Again, copy this command from the pin comment only. Again, I am telling you, I will provide the command only in the pin comment. Right click, copy, paste right over here and then hit the enter key. Once it is done, restart your Steam and the issue of unable to sync cloud status will be completely fixed. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.